Charge!
I see you putting your barrel at my face. But luckily some guy's blocking you.
I don't know who you're talking about. Certainly doesn't sound like anything I'd do.
Is this just revenge for all the times I've shot you? They must be so confused right now.
I don't know if you noticed, but that's Weasler the whole time.
It was.
You guys doing artillery or anything?
I did, but
dropped
mine
someone's
dropped
feed.
it. Mine dropped a little early.
Mine might have been late. Drop yours and it'll be just right.
They're near Bravo.
Doesn't sound like them.
Come on, capture the base. I need to get out of here. My locust did a little burn hook.
It would be cool as hell if it threw dirt.
That would. I'm in my hidey hole. Chaffee has joined. Chaffee has left. Chaffee was already hit.
It's the moon!
Right on my mark. Bravo is mine.
Forge! Who shot this guy?
Who shot
I'm gonna
who?
get ganked from behind.
Oh, right here, right here.
Sark behind me! Somebody kill that Sark!
Sorry, I was a little slow.
That's alright.
Wait, what? We're not capturing Bravo, by the way.
Oh. Sound like us? Another one.
I'm top of the team with a locust.
My call for Artie is bad. It won't take me to the map.
Ah!
Okay, now it is. Oh.
Hi, mouse. Plane left. Bearing bearing north, 10, 30, 50, 60. Infinite.
Infinite bearing is hard to overcome.
Oh, that was sick. That Saturday night driving with the boys. I just ricocheted Oh no!
Dude! Rounds barely hit my tank, and like essentially it creates a 180-degree deflection, and it still blows me up.
Attention to the map.
Sorry, Chaffee.
I guess you guys haven't been getting the intel I've been passing along.
No, I hadn't heard it say.
'Cause I'm on mute.
You did that in Enlisted too. Every kill I've gotten this match has been from my Locust.
Every kill I've got in this match has been from your Locust.
I'm at WEP, Eagle. Are you in the P-51?
Yes.
Yes. Vastly superior piece of machinery.
American freedom on wheel or on in the sky.
It's got wheels.
Somebody shooting at you?
P-47, he's just shooting randomly.
Gear down.
I'll give you the entire runway.
Thank you, sir.
I'll be at the end. I'll try to be at the end if I don't nosedive. What intel were you trying to give us, by the way?
Oh, just like where that Stewart was.
Oh.
Which, by the way, I critted and then you killed.
Yes.
And then about that M4 that killed all the rest of us.
The hybrid or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got to my hidey hole or my hidey spot, and I see a Puma drive to my right, and then I looked up behind me, and there was a Sherman just saying, "Hey kid, come get some candy in the van." Then he shot me.
I'll race you, Eagle.
Man, that thing is fast on takeoff.
It's funny, there's someone at A and I'm at C.
Wait. Why aren't you stopping your invasion?
You're at C? I love
Yeah.
it.
Oh, here comes one.
Don't go down, don't go down. This is where the...
Oh no!
I'll never catch
He
you,
tricked
Eagle.
me.
I'll never catch you, Eagle.
I'm in trouble now.
I'm with you, bro.
Flying through your blue smoke.
Did you get him?
No. I don't know how I didn't.
Because he's a boostag.
Oh, I'm gonna Sherman.
He's around the right side of that original building.
Are they all on A?
Where you
basically?
first saw him, he came around the right side of that building.
Alright. Funny, because I just went around the left.
Are there guys around C?
Just one. Oh, two. I critted one. I don't know what happened.
Eagle, you see that plane?
Yes.
Oh, somebody got him.
The enemy is winning. We must counterattack.
I feel like I'm right in the middle of nowhere here.
You are.
Really in the middle.
Once you touch it, it starts counting down if there are no friendly or no enemies. So you don't have to stay there to decap it.
Well, do I want to cap it?
Well, I'm just saying you
They
can
got
let it
anti-air,
decap it and be
respawn,
somewhere
by the way.
safe. There's
They
a
got
tank
something
behind
here.
the building in front of you. No, in front of you, in front of your hull.
Right in front of me here?
Yeah, there's one in front of that building. And you're getting shot in the back by that machine gun thing.
I see the plane.
Let's go get him.
Where the heck did he go?
Where is he?
He's out here.
He was just by that building with the 3 stacked windows.
Yeah.
We must have backed up behind it. The tank thing is moving. If you can go forward, go forward.
A locust got a plane.
No,
Let's go.
couldn't. That was
Okay.
damage.
What
No,
kind of plane is it?
Sorry,
it's
bro.
that's alright.
like a PF-110. Looks like. Uh-oh. The eagle in the sky is losing ability to fly.
I spotted it now in the plane. I don't know if I can help you.
It's right there. Oh, wait. I think Eagle got it? Did you get it, Eagle?
He's on fire.
Is there somebody behind me?
Mouse is gonna deal with it.
Mouse, kill him.
Yeah.
I'm trying to. It's weird.
Oh. He's
He's
dead.
gotta be
Yeah,
dead.
he died. My engine died though. Or well, not
2
died.
planes coming in from their air spawn.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, there was hairspray involved and a mullet. That's all I know.
Banana.
I love the cars. And didn't we go see Hollow Knight's team?
Yeah, it sounds like this.
Road Fest.
In a car.
Oh, they did NETHODOFL.
I got a competitor for racing for Charlie.
There's so many T-34s pushing me into this. God damn.
Sound like something they do.
It was so ugly for so long. Opinions on 5-year-olds? Why is people asking about 5-year-olds?
Because of that pile up.
Oh.
To be fair, I am not 5 years old.
Okay.
Somebody drove through A, but didn't cap.
Here's where you start.
Sounds about right.
So imagine or expect somebody fast on B.
Honestly, bro, War Thunder driving school needed? Yes.
As long as you don't change the meat of what I'm
Found the
saying.
mask guy.
you're not-
I don't know if I like where I'm going, but I'm going there anyway.
What is he and where is he?
I don't know. Someone just died, so I'm assuming he's nearby.
back and forth.
All I know is once I capture Bravo, I'm getting out of here.
My Artie just got like 4 hits.
I got quite a few hits as well.
I wish I had any.
Don't be silly.
Yeah.
There's a bad guy over here.
Yeah, I think he just got shot.
I got shot in the butt. It hurt. If I go above the clouds, the World War II radar won't detect me.
Ah, dang it. There's someone just south of B.
Okay.
What is the rule for
Size.
incorrect?
Alright, I got 500, or I got 1,000 pounds. Where do you need them?
You're in a plane?
Right here, I would assume.
I would say over B, yeah. Just south of B.
South of B is down on the map. Is that what we're using?
Yeah, right?
I just
Down
want to
on
make
the
sure. I just want to make sure.
Their side of B, how's that?
Oh, is it their side of B?
What was that?
Whoa!
Yeah,
You
dropped
just
her.
spawned in.
What else do you do?